How do I verify a Wells Fargo cashier's check?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to verify a cashier's check from Wells Fargo. We'll be going through the process step by step to ensure you're handling a legitimate cashier's check, which can protect you from potential fraud.
What is a cashier's check?
Before we dive into the verification process, let's take a moment to understand what a cashier's check is. A cashier's check is a check guaranteed by a bank, drawn on the bank's own funds and signed by a cashier. These checks are treated as guaranteed funds because the bank, rather than the purchaser, is responsible for paying the amount. They're commonly used in transactions where large sums of money are involved, such as the purchase of a home or car.
How can I tell if a Wells Fargo cashier's check is genuine?
Now, let's delve into how to verify a Wells Fargo cashier's check. Here are a few things you should look out for. 1. Check for the bank's logo and address. Wells Fargo cashier's checks will typically include the bank's logo and address. If you can't see them, or they don't look right, that's a red flag. 2. Check the quality of the paper. Real cashier's checks are printed on special paper. If the check feels flimsy, it could be a fake. 3. Examine the amount. If the check is made out for a large amount, particularly if it's for more than you were expecting, that's another warning sign. 4. Check the signature. A real cashier's check will be signed by a bank official. If the signature is missing or doesn't look right, proceed with caution.
How do I verify a Wells Fargo cashier's check with the bank?
The most foolproof way to verify a cashier's check is by contacting Wells Fargo directly. Here's how. 1. Find the bank's phone number. Look for Wells Fargo's official customer service number online. Don't use the phone number printed on the check, it could be fake. 2. Call the bank. When you call, provide them with the check number and other details. They should be able to confirm whether it's a genuine cashier's check issued by them. 3. Visit a branch if possible. If you're near a Wells Fargo branch, you can also bring the check in to verify it in person. And that wraps up our tutorial on verifying a Wells Fargo cashier's check. Remember, being vigilant and verifying checks before you deposit them can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Stay safe and have a great day.